This is the Arrowhead Brass 460 series. Today we're going to show you how to replace the stem in this faucet. The first thing you want to do is go shut the water off. And while you do that, go grab you a Phillips head screwdriver and an adjustable wrench. You can also use a pair of adjustable pliers if you don't have an adjustable wrench. It's just easier with a wrench to me. Take your handle off. It's just the Phillips head. Normal thread. After loosey, ready, tighty. So now that the handle's off, put your wrench on the hex right there, and that'll allow you to get the stem out. So as you pull this stem out, you may have to wiggle it when you get to the end because it was springless check assembly on the end of it. It just like freely moves in and out. So to replace the stem, we get the new stem. In this case, this is a 6-inch wall, which means this is going to be a 10-inch overall length stem. So the new stems come in this tube packaging right here, and you have to take the rubber cap off. Sometimes they're hard to get off, but it just pulls right. Take the new stem out. One thing to note on these new stems is it is not threaded for the screw where the handle goes in, so it'll cut threads as you put the handle in. We're going to get it in there, and I'm going to wiggle a little bit, line it up, thread it in. Don't cross thread it. Make sure you take the time and get it lined up just right. There we go. You can also take the handle and use that as well. Now you can't tighten it down with the handle, but you can get it close enough to where then you can use your adjustable wrench. Just snug. Alright, so now I'm going to get the handle on. I like to get my handle on there straight. This looks better. Like I said earlier, we're going to have to cut threads. So this is a self-tapping screw. So it's going to cut the threads as we thread it in there. So you might have to use a little bit of force to get it going. Alright, I think I got it there. Alright, and that's how you replace the stem on the Arrowhead Brass 460 series faucet.